Three words to do, my dear brothers and sisters. If you have been disappointed, if you have been hurt by those you love, accept. Accept that love is like that. And accept that you are like that too. That you have been hurt and you have also hurt. And everybody has been hurt. And everybody has hurt somebody sometime in this life. Grieve. Let your soul be cleansed by the tears from your heart. Cry. Cry with the Lord. Cry over it, because crying will clean you. But don't cry forever. Start again and keep on trying. And believe me, you will get hurt again. And believe me, you will cry again. But just keep on trying and trying and trying until that day comes when we breathe our last and we can say, I have loved, I have hurt, I have been hurt, I have been sorry, I have grieved, I will try again. And in heaven, we can love without disappointment because we will be seeing the face of our loving God.